Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Mind. I'm Mayur. Today we are going to learn how to alter the table and what is order by. And what is the purpose to have order by is order to retrieve records in ascending or descending order of the provided data column. So for this one, we need to choose database first. So we need to go here, click here, and we need to choose our database, the TechMind. This is our database we created before. And for to make changes, we need to retrieve our data or column or table. For that, need to write the SQL query, such as like this. Select, sorry, it's select star from employee. Need to select here. Need execution. So you can see all the table and the column as well. So as per the columns, so based on employee location, I will do here ascending. Okay, it's very basic to do. So right now it's not ascending or descending, it's a mix. You can say that as per this records, the IDs. So I'll do as the ascending. For this one, need to write like select star from employee. Need to write order by clause, order by, or then put on column name. E location means employee location, and ascending manner, the ascending order. Okay, ASC, that's mandatory key. You have to put like this. Then need to execution. Remember, this is the Pune, Mumbai. This is not ascending or descending. Okay. Now I'm doing ascending on the employee location. So need to execute here. See, you can see the changes as per 5739. Okay. So what it means? It means this happen already. Okay. It's ascending manner right now. The employee location. And now I want to do a descending manner, the same column. Okay. So right now it's ascending. So it's the first will be the Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad because BDH. So it's ascending manner. Now I'm going to do descending manner. So for this, you need to write like select star from employee, order by clause again, employee location, the descending. Okay. This is the keyword. You have to write it. Descending. Now execution. And you can see this is the changes. Solapur, Pune, Nasik, Mumbai, Kolkata, and etc. So these are the descending pattern. So these are the very basic to do in any table, any column you need to choose. Okay, you cannot do on the column. You don't have to do on a table level, but you can do on a column level. So you can choose any column from the table. So for this, I can give another example, such on age. Okay, I'll choose age. I'll do this on an ascending again. Okay, so you can understand better. So for this one, select. Just give me a second. Yeah, select star from employee, order by the EH ascending. Okay, I need to select execution. Now you can see the ascending pattern 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, and more. Okay, and I'm again doing on the same column in descending manner. Okay, so for this, write the same query again. Select from employee, order by clause, EH, and the descending. Okay, now I need to execution. Now you can see the descending pattern 30, 29, 26, 25, 24, 22, 21. Okay, so this is the pattern. So that's how you use ascending or descending. Okay, so this is very simple and basic. Now we're going to learn alter the table after the order by clause. Okay, so we'll learn basic of alter table. Alter table we use to add a column in a table, or also if we want to delete any particular column, then we use this one to delete or remove column. Okay, so we'll put as a headline as alter table so people will understand. So we'll write a query to add a column. If you want to add a column or delete column, okay, from any table, you can write like select star from employee. We already fetched the table, yeah. We get the table. Sorry, we missed the E, another E. So we have the table already have here, and we'll start from here, okay. So for this one, write to alter table employee, the table name we add. Which column we want to add? We want to add salary column, for example. For this, we need to give data type for the salary column. It's like big int, okay? This is the data type. And I also want another column such as like the email ID, okay? I'll put as email ID and let's put as data type as a varchar limitation max. I'll put. So you need to select here. Right now we don't have the salary column or the email ID column, okay? So once we select this, then we need to execution. You can see command complete successfully. Then you have to like execute the table again. Then you can see the salary and the email ID will be there. But why is null is showing? Because we not insert the records yet, okay? So that's why it's showing null. So we just know how to add columns here through the alter table. If you want to delete those table, so those columns, sorry, pardon, or if you want to delete these two columns from the table, then you have to write query like this. Again, alter table employee drop column. You have to mention column, okay? There, drop column salary, comma email ID, okay? So once you select here, you need to go execution, command successfully, and now you have to select the table execution again. See, you already remove or delete those columns that you don't need it anymore. So that's how you do it, and that's how you use order by clause and the alter the table. So that's it for the today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful to you. And please do subscribe, like, and share to with your friends. And if you need anything from me on this content or any regarding SQL, if you have any queries, you can just put it down and write it down on the comment section. I'll definitely look after that and I'll make it something. Okay. So thank you for that.